Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that there are a lot of transactions happening around us every day. After this transaction is identified, it is first recorded in a chronological form in the primary account books that is called journal book. This transaction is later transferred to ledger by its classification. Ledger is also called the king of all books. So, in this video, we will learn 1. What is ledger? And 2. What are the features of ledger? Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. What is ledger? The third step of the accounting cycle is ledger. Ledger is called the main book of accounts. The book in which transactions are recorded in classified permanent form is called the ledger. Ledger is the permanent storehouse of all the financial transactions. Business uses various kinds of ledger, but every business has a general ledger. A general ledger contains all the assets, liability, owner's equity, revenue, and expense accounts. The value of each of the accounts is given by the ledger. For example, the bank account shows the amount of bank balance available in the bank, and accounts payable shows the amount owed to vendors. The financial statement is prepared based on ledger balance. I hope you have understood what is ledger. Now let's come to the second point. What are the features of ledger? Features of ledger. The main features of the ledger are described here. 1. Each account in ledger will have separate headings. 2. Account transactions are recorded in a specific table. 3. Transactions are recorded on the account by date. 4. Each ledger has a column of two amounts. The amount of the transaction in both columns is written by debit and credit. 5. There is a column to write the ref number on both sides of the account. 6. The balance of the account is calculated at the end of the period. 7. After completion of the calculation, the debit and credit column is closed by drawing two parallel lines below the sum of both sides. I think you're clear about what is ledger, and what are the features of the ledger. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.